Hello, friends. Hope you are doing great. In today's lesson, let's start with some idioms first. Idiom number one, beg one's pardon. I beg your pardon. That's all right. Quite all right. Next, change one's mind. Did you change your mind about that? I often change my mind about things. Next, do one's best. I always do my best in class. Did you do your best in the examinations? I did my best on it. Get rid of. He bought a new car. Did he get rid of his old car first? In one's opinion, in my opinion, that's the right answer. In spite of. I went to the movie in spite of the bad weather. Lose one's temper. He was very mad. In fact, he lost his temper. Did you lose your temper during the argument? Of course. Of course, some people don't agree with that. Of course, you are right. Of course, it was not very easy. Take a course in. Did he take a course in English last year? Take advantage of. Did he take advantage of your offer? Take up an examination or test. Did you take up an examination? Let's move to the next session. Now, write the past tense of the verbs for each sentence. Number one, the wind blew hard. The wind blew very hard. He forgot the name of it. He forgot the name of it. The boys ran down the street. The boys ran down the street. She threw it into the waste basket. She threw it into the waste basket. The party begins at 8 o'clock. The party began at 8 o'clock. I sit in the seat behind Tom. I sat in the seat behind Tom. You make several mistakes in the test. You made several mistakes in the test. The man hid the money in the drawer. The man hid the money in the drawer. The girl broke her pocket mirror. The girl broke her pocket mirror. We paid a lot of bills last month. We paid a lot of bills last month. They lent us $9 yesterday. They lent us $9 yesterday. The thief stole all of the money. The thief stole all of the money. The police catch him a short time later. The police got him a short time later. I stand on the corner for an hour. I stood on the corner for an hour. She met the new students yesterday. She met the new students yesterday. Now, change the following statements into questions. Statements: Ali was here. Question: was Ali here? His father works for a big company. Does his father work for a big company? I went to school with him in Leeds. Did you go to school with him in Leeds? There were some interesting people there. Were there some interesting people? His friend finished the work for him. Did his friend finish the work for him? He is a very good friend of mine. Is he yours good friend? Ali drove his car downtown. Did Ali drive his car downtown? He forgot the meaning of the word. Has he forgotten the meaning of the word? There was a meeting here last night. Was there a meeting last night? The women were in the kitchen. Were the women in the kitchen? Now change these statements to negatives. Statement number one. He changed his mind. Negative. He didn't change his mind. She is a relative of mine. She isn't my relative. There were a lot of people at the party. There weren't a lot of people at the party. She kept up with all of the homework. She didn't keep up with all of the homework. It was quite hot yesterday. It wasn't quite hot yesterday. There were some cigarettes on the table. There weren't any cigarettes on the table. I'm looking forward to the test. I ain't looking forward to the test. He drives quite carefully. He didn't drive carefully. They got rid of their house. They didn't get rid of their house.